Food delivery 15 minutes. Why not ambulance response in a few minutes? Stand Plus, a medical emergency response platform, has joined with Bengaluru's Narayana Hrudayalaya Limited to manage their emergency services. It will provide ambulance care to critical cases in the hospital within 15 minutes. It will provide advanced life support and basic life support in Narayana Health's Narayana Institute of Cardiac Sciences and Mazumdar Shah Medical Center within the city campus, catering to over 1,250 beds. Stand Plus has a fleet of 44 Stand Plus owned red ambulances and another 100 ambulances deployed via multiple aggregators. The company is also planning to station 25 more ambulances, making it a total of 160 red ambulances in Bengaluru. Stand Plus has made it a point that their ambulances reach critical areas in Bengaluru before 15 minutes. Highly trained medics are deployed in the ambulances to take care of patients before they reach the hospitals. State-of-the-art medical equipment has been provided in ambulances to take care of life support for the patients. This Hyderabad-based startup has partnered with 50+ hospitals and 70+ enterprises and is looking to expand to 15+ cities in India by the end of 2022. Stand Plus has proved that when food delivery is possible within 15 minutes, why can't life-saving ambulances do their work in 15 minutes? Info brief. Please subscribe our channel.